Hello everyone, in this video I will be setting up a simple PHP web application to demonstrate SQL injections vulnerabilities. I will show you how an attacker can exploit this vulnerability to gain unauthorized access to a database. Then I will explain how we can fix these issues using prepared statements to make our application secure. So let's get started. So first things first, we need to first set up. So first, we need to set up our development environment, which I'm using SQL right now. XAMPP, as you can see, as my local server, which includes PHP, MySQL, and Apache. So yeah. Next, oh wait, I forgot. So next is creating a database, which I already did. So I'll name it testdb and insert some sample accounts, admin123 user to test it later on. So next step is our vulnerable code. So we will create a simple PHP login form that interacts with our database. So this form will allow users to enter their username password. However, I will intentionally write the SQL query in an insecure way to show how SQL injections work. So this is the PHP code that is vulnerable to SQL attacks. And this is our login page, which we can see here. Let's zoom it in. Okay, so at this point, our application accepts any input indirectly in the SQL query without validation. So this is a major risk, and now I will show you why. So let's first test it without the SQL admin123 admin123, which shows login successful. So that is a valid account. Okay, so let's now try the SQL attack. So the account we're going to use is this admin or here. So login. So we still log in. Okay, so since 1 equals 1 is always true, this trick our database into logging me in without knowing the actual password. So this is a classic example of an SQL attack. So attackers can use similar technique to extract sensitive data, delete records, or even take full control of the database. To prevent this, we need to secure our code. So how can we secure our code? By using prepared statements. So I already prepared here a code for prepared statements. So let's modify our login.php to make it a secured prepared statement. Okay, now let's test our updated login form. If I enter valid credentials, I can log in successfully. But if I try SQL like before, they will no longer work. So let's try the admin123 again. So yeah. So let's try the SQL attack. So admin. Okay, so see, I did not save it. Let's try again. I forgot to save it. See, it's now showing invalid credentials. So this work. Okay, so yes. So these demonstrations shows how SQL injection can be used to exploit web applications and why it's crucial to use secure coding practice. So always use prepared statements or ORM frameworks to protect your database from attack. So I hope you find this video helpful and thanks for watching.